Soft sunlight filters through the window, gently illuminating the bedroom. The unmade bed, with its rumpled sheets and pillows, suggests a sense of potential. The fresh start of a new day is symbolized by the undisturbed space. Making the bed represents the establishment of order and control. Neatly arranged pillows symbolize a positive start to the day. The act of tidying the bed reflects a proactive mindset and sets a productive tone. Completing a task initiates a ripple effect, symbolizing increasing productivity. Lines of light represent the positive momentum generated from task completion. The expanding light symbolizes the spread of positive effects throughout the day. Under the harsh morning sun, the Navy SEAL boot camp comes to life with nervous energy. Drill instructors command attention, their booming voices echoing across the dusty expanse. The recruits brace themselves, ready to face the challenges ahead as Admiral McRaven's words begin. Admiral William H. McRaven served as a Navy SEAL for 37 years. At basic training, the first thing every soldier had to learn, the barracks awaken to chaos as recruits struggle against the unforgiving order of military life. Trembling hands betray the immense pressure as each fold becomes a battle against imperfection. Frustration mounts, etched deeply into their expressions as they grapple with the impossible standards. A looming figure halts before a slovenly made bed, the air thickening with impending wrath. This is not a hotel. This is the United States Navy. The drill instructor barks, his voice cutting through the room like a knife. Make your bed like your life depends on it, he roars, instilling a primal fear into their very souls. The barracks, once chaotic, now gleam with military precision. Each bed, a testament to discipline. A drill instructor surveys the transformed space, his approval evident in every nod. It didn't matter how tired they were. McRaven's voice echoes, underscoring the unwavering commitment, or how tough the day before had been. The voiceover emphasizes the relentless pursuit of perfection. The habit came first. The habit of discipline takes precedence, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Initiating the day with a task, regardless of its simplicity, establishes momentum and a sense of accomplishment. The act of making a bed serves as a symbolic starting point, setting a positive tone for subsequent activities. Completing a small task early in the day can lead to a cascade of further accomplishments, enhancing productivity and well-being. Making the bed creates a sense of order and accomplishment first thing in the morning. Completing this simple task can initiate a positive chain reaction throughout the day. The act of making the bed is not just about tidiness, but about setting a positive tone for the day. A split screen illustrates contrasting outcomes based on morning habits. Starting the day with a made bed promotes focus and productivity. Returning home to a made bed provides a sense of order and accomplishment, even after a challenging day. The start of a typical day involves routine activities for various individuals. Simple actions like making coffee, organizing workspaces, and stretching are common morning routines. These daily routines set the stage for productivity and creativity throughout the day. Significant change often originates from small habits rather than grand gestures. A simple act of discipline represents a statement of taking control. Discipline involves assuming responsibility and actively choosing action. Admiral William H. McRaven's quote, "If you want to change the world, start by making your bed," emphasizes the power of initial disciplined actions. The act of making one's bed serves as a metaphor for initiating positive change through disciplined action. Disciplined actions early in the day can positively influence subsequent tasks and overall focus. The bedroom window frames a scene of perfect tranquility as soft morning light bathes the pristine bed. The room exudes a serene invitation, its stillness underscored by gentle music. In the soft glow, every detail whispers of peace and undisturbed rest. The gentle music complements the visual calm, enhancing the overall atmosphere of restful escape. Morning light streams into the bedroom, highlighting the crisp, clean lines of a perfectly made bed. Each movement is deliberate, a testament to the power of small, precise actions. The room is filled with a quiet sense of accomplishment, a promise of what is to come. Take 5 minutes. Make your bed, because small things lead to great things. From a simple act, a foundation is laid for a day of purpose and achievement. The bedroom is bathed in the gentle glow of morning sunlight, illuminating the stillness. A freshly made bed sits center, a symbol of order and peace. Start with your bed, then build your life. The narrator's voice speaks of simple acts and profound beginnings, and every great journey begins with a simple act of self-respect.